Hello guys, I would like to show you how to repair, service car washing high pressure machine. First, here your portable drill. You want to make a hole where cables will enter so that you can connect them to the termination box of the machine. As you can see, that wire adapter box is what I call a modification. That's just a simple adapter box. So we want to fit those two capacitors. The original capacitors were quite smaller, but they could not fit. This is a modification of this machine. Invent and modify that, as you can see down there. I didn't have a big drill bit, otherwise I could have just cut the hole in one go. So I have to do it slowly, very slowly. Now putting the cables inside. Ouch! As you can see, the hole is still small, so I have to expand it a little bit. Now I'm sure the hole is the termination box will fit into it correctly. Pouring it inside, yeah, fantastic. It was fitted. Now going to the next step. My oil is a little bit misplaced, but don't worry about that. I'll fasten that using glue. So that is a job for another time. I'll fasten it using glue. Now going on, we have to do our termination now. These capacitors are super capacitors. I have two of them. One is color blue, but you can get of any other color, and the other one is color white. Going on with our termination, I'll start with the live wire and the main power wire, live and neutral wire. Then lastly, earth wire. That's the screw for terminating the earth wire to the casing of the machine. So doing the screw slowly until the wire is firmly fixed on the termination box. Now terminating my super capacitor. It doesn't have any polarity. You can terminate with any polarity. Then the other one, terminating it again. That's a 250 volt capacitor. Keep in mind, these are AC capacitors. You should not introduce DC capacitors. These are AC capacitors, high voltage capacitors. Now away with termination. I want to pour oil into the oil gas cylinder. Now using 2T oil, it will make your machine run faster, and it will give you a better service than any ordinary oil. Now put your cover for oil back, and now replacing the case cover and fastening the case cover for the machine. You start with one side, that a screw, bolt and nut, making sure you fasten it properly there. After doing that, you'll topple it onto the other side and do the same. Bolt, nut, the other side. Firmly but steadily, tighten the nut. And remember, all this, the purpose of doing all this, replacing the capacitors, replacing the gearbox engine oil, all is just to make this machine a super washing machine, not the ordinary machine that it's adding value to this machine. Performance, in terms of performance, it will perform. Price, as regards the factory mode, and efficiency, it will be very efficient. Now turning the case the other side and fastening the bolts and nuts. I've got two videos on doing this. The first one shows you how to dismantle or opening the high pressure car washing machine, and the other video will show you how to sample and get the right type of capacitors for doing this job. The latter video will show you how to solder the capacitors and get the correct ratings and put them into place. So now putting the wheel in place, more information you can go to the other, and putting the spring washer back so that the wheel does not come off. Greater insight into it. Now hook the wheel into place, then put your spring washer. Now also doing the same to the other side. Put the other wheel into place, then repeating the same process, the spring washer. Like earlier on, fastening the wheel and making sure that it is smooth in running. Then fastening the wheel, the spring washer back, and making sure that it doesn't come off. Fitting the caps into place one by one. Fitting the other cap also and making sure that it doesn't come off. Now making your connection from the tap to the machine and making sure that water flows into the machine chamber for testing of the machine. Putting my socket on for continuity of power, then testing the machine for testing the machine. Pressing my on button on. Wow, now the machine is supercharged. PL.